Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to calculate net present value, or NPV, in Excel. Net present value is a financial function that is calculated for an investment, and it represents the present value of the investment minus the amount of money that it costs to buy in. Excel offers a preset function for this called NPV. Please be aware that all the investment cash flows must occur at the same interval for the calculation to be accurate. NPV has two arguments: rate, which refers to the discount rate, and the range of values that contains future cash flows. Here's an example we prepared. First, let's take a look at the discount rate. This is the amount of income that you can receive from a guaranteed investment, as a US Treasury bill, for instance. Now, for the range of values, let's say you have two investment options in front of you, each with a projected cash flow. An initial investment of $100,000 for each. The number is in parentheses because it is a negative number, and a series of 5 investments of $25,000 or $20,000 respectively. But the second option also has a sixth payment of $25,000. We're interested in seeing which one would be better for us. Therefore, we will apply the NPV on each. Go to the cell where you want the function to be calculated and type the following: equals NPV. Our discount rate divided by 12 as the rate is compounded monthly, the range of values you want to be considered, plus the initial investment, in our case the starting $100,000. Excel will calculate for you the net present value of this investment. Now let's see for the second one. Again, go to the cell that you want to hold the NPV result for comparison and type equals NPV, the same discount rate divided by 12, the range of values, plus the initial investment. Hit enter. Now that we see both results, we will agree that the first option is better and proceed with it. Congratulations! You have learned how to calculate the net present value in Excel.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.